Hello everyone, we are here to talk about Tele2 IoT Challenge 2017. You know what it is, right? The one about connecting stuff where you can win a prize in the end, the one challenge about the Internet of Things. Yes, that one. There were 135 teams registered from all around the world, and we made it to the top 10. We are actually very happy. And we wanted to make this short film to celebrate and to show you the two solutions that we presented. Enjoy the film.
Hi, I'm Tanner.
And I'm Abdullah.
We're here to talk to you about our idea for the Tele2 IoT Challenge. The problem we're solving is that public transportation companies today have a problem. They can't accurately measure how the services they provide are being used. Our idea solves this problem by enabling the measurement and optimization of how these services are used. As you can see here in our value proposition canvas, we have a lot of different pains, but we also have a lot of gains. If we look at customer jobs, we can see timetabling, which is a manual work. We see the resources with staff and vehicle assets. If we look at pains, some picks that we have focused on are inaccurate measurements and manual approaches at the moment. For instance, the ferry where they manually count every person going on. As you can see, we have a lot of gains, and some of these are that we get a more accuracy of footfall, we can see history and therefore project need, ability to analyze and plan routes.
Our solution. So how this is going to work? Basically, we'll have the board looking for number of devices around based on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals. The board then will use the LoRa module to send those numbers to the network, which is basically running by TalkPool. In addition to that, we use PopNap for data streaming. And on top of all this, we are using IBM Watson for better analytics as an added value to the solution. Then here we have the board with different modules, the LoRa module and the Bluetooth module. Then we are using the status alert for basically status, and then in the graph below we shows the number of devices at a certain time.
And that's it for all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Pablo from Cybercom, and I'm going to introduce you to Internet of Bikes, an IoT control monitoring system for bikes. First, imagine that you have a company with a fleet of bikes, and you want to keep off the bikes maintaining a good conditions. But nowadays, you need to check every single bike manually. Also, if you lost the bike, you have no idea where the bike is, and also you have no idea about the real usage of every single bike. So nowadays you can buy a GPS tracker, but they are expensive and they don't provide all this information that is required for maintenance. So for that reason, we propose this device, which is plug and play with any bike. It's compatible with traditional bikes. You don't need to modify the bike to enable it. And this device is able to notify the real usage of the bike, notify impacts, vibrations, and falls, and also enable services for location. So this is the proposed architecture. We have sensors on this, like GPS, reed switch, accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer, and communication like Bluetooth for bike-to-bike communication and communication with wireless sensors, and LoRa to enable internet connectivity on the bike. So the data goes from the bike to internet, in this case to TalkPool, PopNap, and our IoT dashboard, but can be forwarded to other cloud services or clients. So in terms of hardware, we have the reed switch to detect the number of spins of the wheel, accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer to detect the position of the bike, so we can detect vibrations, collisions, or falls, and the GPS module to, under demand, have the location of the bike. Then two LEDs just to report visual information about errors or status. This is a screenshot of the dashboard. The first chart represents the number of spins per minute, the second one the accumulated spins, which is the information about the real usage, and at the bottom a map where we can point the location of the bikes. That's all, and thank you for watching.